Hello everyone. Got this package today. It's one of my babies that I ordered. Come all the way from Canada. Gonna open it up. Packaged pretty good. Wow. Very nice. Some cute things right here. Three peas in a pod. This is my new baby. Beautiful card. To have a daughter. Congratulations, Sean, for your baby girl. Thank you for your trust. Hope y'all will be happy with her and will cherish her forever. Thank you for all. Enjoy your new one. Very nice. She is 542 of 1605. Very nice little book. Woo, she's all bundled up in here. A little packing. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, some little cute little sandals. Yes, very nice. Let's see what else. Oh, Mickey. Beautiful little onesie. Bunch of goodies. Love the little flowers. Oh, another cute onesie. Oh, wow, that's cute. Another onesie. Took a lot of time in wrapping all this for me. Appreciate it very much. Oh, a cute little outfit. Oh, cute little romper with the little overcoat. It's a girl. Passy. Another Passy. Let's see what's in this cute little box. Hate to even open it. Oh, hair bows and socks and a band. Oh, she must take a bow in her hair. Cute. Okay. Last but sure not least, move some of this stuff out the way. Okay, here we go. Unwrapping this beautiful baby. She's probably gonna have travel head, but we gonna fix her up. She has this beautiful little Mickey outfit on. Oh, wow. She got some big legs. Very detailed legs. Wow. Very, very nice work. And there she is. We're gonna fix her hair because she's been traveling for a while. About a week now. But this is my pretty girl. Haven't found a name yet for her. But pretty sure it won't be long that I'm gonna find her name. She's got really a lot of details. Very, very pretty. She has even some pierced ears. And so her little hands. Oh, wow. Her little hands are beautiful. Look at her little tongue. Very, very nice. Thank y'all for watching.